So in this video, I want to go through sketching these three examples because the functions look very similar and we just need to watch out in a couple of places, okay? So let's start with number one. We have a horizontal asymptote at minus 20, so I'll pop that on first. So y equals minus 20. And then we have 3 to the x take away 2. So that's just a normal exponential curve that's been translated 2 units to the right. So we're going to put on our curve, something like that. 2 points of interest. So when x is 0, we're going to have 3 to the minus 2 take away 20. So 3 to the power of minus 2 take away 20 is minus 179 over 9. Now we can work out where it crosses the x-axis by putting y as 0. So 0 is equal to 3 to the x take away 2 take away 20. Add the 20 to both sides. And then convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. So the x minus 2 will be log base 3 of 20. And then add 2 to both sides. So we'll have log base 3 of 20 plus 2. And that will be the exact point where it crosses the x-axis. Okay. So let's look at the second example. Y equals 3 to the x plus 2 take away 20. So again, this has a horizontal asymptote at y equals minus 20. Now, when you get into the realms of x plus 2, we are translating it 2 units to the left. So we need to be careful as to where the curve is crossing the y-axis. Now, when x is 0, this is the first thing you should check. When x is 0, we have 3 squared take away 3 squared take away 20, sorry. So we've got 9 take away 20, so minus 11. So that means it's still crossing down here, okay, between 0 and the minus 20. So our curve will still look something like this, where that's the minus 11. So now when x is 0, when y is 0, we'll put 0 is equal to 3 to the x plus 2 take away 20. Add the 20 to both sides. Then x plus 2 will be log base 3 of 20. And so x is log base 3 of 20 take away 2. So that is the exact point where the curve will cross the x-axis. Okay, right, so that's number 2. Number 3. Now number 3, y equals 3 to the x plus 4 take away 20. So first of all, horizontal asymptote at y equals minus 20. Now, where does it cross the y-axis? Because now we're dealing with a translation of 4 units to the left. When x is 0, we'll have 3 to the 4, which is 81, take away 20, which is 61. So that means the curve crosses the y-axis somewhere up here. So our curve will look something like this. Okay, still tending towards our horizontal asymptote, but now it crosses here at 81 take away 20, so 61. So where does it cross the x-axis? Well, that's when y is 0. So 0 equals 3 to the x plus 4, take away 20. Add the 20 to both sides. Go from exponential form to logarithmic form, so x plus 4 will be log base 3 of 20. And then take 4 from both sides. So this point is log base 3 of 20 take away 4. Now you might want to know, is that a negative value? So on your calculator, you should have a log button. I'm using the Casio ClassWiz FX991EX, and on that calculator, it has a button that looks like this. Okay, so you should have a similar looking button, or it might be in one of the menus, but you need a log changing button on your calculator. So if I press that, and then I type in 3 for the base, move right so you put the number in the brackets as 20, move out of the brackets, take 4, and you should get minus 1.27. So it's approximately minus 1.27. And so that's just double checking that we've got a negative value.